Hey everybody, welcome back. It's time once again for the Alpha Outpost May 2019 unboxing. Alright everybody, welcome back. So I love it when these boxes come in because you never know what you're going to get. You'll get a teaser email that'll say this is the name of the box, but they never really come out and tell you what's in the box till you get it. This is actually a really cool one, and this has something to do with something that I wanted to get a little more in, so it's actually going to help me out. I'm going to open it up for you, show you what's inside. Let me take this stand away here that I had propped up with. Make sure that's in the camera. Alright, you can see it. So let's open it up. Now, I'm going to put this back here. First off, you got a monthly featured giveaways. I want to make sure I'm not showing anybody any codes or anything, but you get your monthly giveaways and stuff. Alright, we'll get to these in a second. Got a nice towel here. Now, the point of this box is called Castaways. So I'm assuming it has to do something with the water or fishing or whatever. So that could come in handy being around water. If you're fishing, if you want to clean up. Me personally, I'll probably use it for my vehicle. I can't tell you how much stuff I've gotten from Alpha Outpost that I've kind of repurposed, but I've used for other things. Like I have the old frost bottle here. I use this every day for water out here, so they got lots of neat stuff. But anyway, that's the first thing you'll get. We got this guy here. This will explain what's everything that's in the box. Let me cover up the code. There you go. So, let's dig in and see what's here. Now, I want to get to these first. Being that I see some stuff in here, I got a feeling I know what this is. Let's open one of these. I have been told these are both the same, so I won't open the other one because it's the same thing. If these are what I think they are, yep, I feel it. Alright, so these are fishing cards. These are little metallic cards. Let me get that so you can actually see what's on it. Up close. And you've got your little hooks, you got a little frog gig there, a spear point. You've got a little serrated edges for cleaning the scales off fish, if you look up top here and along the side. So that's kind of neat. You can stick a worm or something on there and you're ready to go. So it's definitely, you know, fishing is something that I did as a little kid with my dad. It's probably the only outdoorsy stuff we did when I was younger, because I mean, I grew up in the city and we would get up at like 5 o'clock in the morning and drive all the way upstate New York and go fishing. So it was this is something I kind of wanted to get back into, mainly because it's an excellent way to procure food in an emergency. Now, I do live in the desert, but there are places to fish out here. And I'm going to have to be getting myself a fishing license and try out this gear. So next up, we've got the patch here, the Castaways patch. I believe this is Wilson from the Castaway movie. That's kind of cool patch if you're a patch collector. Next up, okay, let's get to this because this is what I want to see. Being that I did a little fishing when I was younger, I remember some of my dad's reels were worth quite a bit of money. And I knew what kind of made them quality and whatnot. Now I'm sure things have changed a lot since the 70s. Yep, this is a collapsible fishing rod. It's got a little protective end on it here. So let's take that off. That's a nice one. Okay, and there we go. So, let me make sure that's all the way in the camera. It's a collapsible fishing rod. I'm going to put it all the way out, but of course you won't be able to see the whole thing in camera. It's got a yellow end. See, that's cool, because you can tell where the end of your rod is. I'd have to line up the holes here. Line everything up, but there you go. Collapsible fishing rod. I'd say that's about 6 feet 6 inches. You also have a spot down here to mount your reel. That works kind of like this. You'll move it back and forth, tighten it up on the reel. The reel will have 2 lips that fit in there. Actually, I think that's the lip there. It'll have 2 lips in there that will fit in, and it will snap into place. So anyway, that is really cool. It's very, very lightweight. It's got a carbon fiber design on it, although I don't believe it's carbon fiber. I think it's like polyurethane or some kind of plastic, but it's definitely very, very light, and that is a really cool thing. You know, it's one of those things where I've been meaning to get into it, but I didn't want to spend the money on a fishing rod, and then, well, now, got the fishing rod, so pretty much all I need to do is get myself a fishing license and ask around and find a place where people fish. So it's a very nice rod. I'd say it's a small to medium. You know, you're not going to be pulling huge bass out of salt water with it, but definitely a nice little rod for fly fishing or fishing with the stuff you got here. This is the reel. Let's pull this guy out. And it's been a long, long time since I fished, so nice looking reel. You got your forward and reverse on it. I'm going to have to get some fishing line. I believe that's forward and reverse there. Yeah, that's a nice looking reel. Again, you know, it's not a $6,000-$7,000 reel, but it is really nice. There you go. And they got their Alpha Outpost logo on it. So I'll definitely have to, this is a long-term kind of plan for me to do a video of fishing, because it's something that I did when I was younger, kind of know a little bit about, but not enough to be a professional by any means. But I'd definitely like to do a video on it later down the road. And the reel is nice and light too. I guess it's made of aluminum or something. It's a very, very lightweight. You got a forward and reverse lock here and a tensioner here. Nice little reel. All right, moving on. We get this here. I think I know what this is. Okay. This is something to keep the sun and bugs off you. Some people call it a buff. Just a little something to keep the sun and bugs off you while you're fishing. And it's kind of cool. It's got an American flag design. Let's do it the right way here. There we go. Got an American flag design with the fish on it. Handy little item to have. Now, the last item in here. And I can actually see me using this. Again, kind of repurposing it, but I can see myself using it. Let me get the box out of the way. There we go, for the magic of editing. The last item here is, it's a backpack with a stool built into it. Now the backpack itself, very cool. Definitely a nice little small day hike type pack. I could see myself using that, again, for pretty much anything. But the nice part about this is, let me see if that's in camera. Yeah, it is. Got a little stool on there too. So you can strap this on, you can carry it like a backpack. I'm unsure of the comfort of it. I'll have to put the straps on and actually try it out. But I think that'll keep it protected from your back, digging into your back. So you can wear this as a backpack, and whenever you get to where you're going, set up and fish. And it has more than enough pockets in here for water bottles or whatever else. It'd be a good day pack if you were going fishing. So anyway, let me get all this gear in order here. And I will show you the complete package. There you go. And this is the protector for the end of the rod. That is the case for the rod. And there you are. So that's this month's Alpha Outpost Castaways box. Let me move the camera down a little bit so you can actually see everything. And again, this is kind of cool because it's something I kind of wanted to get back into. Fishing is definitely a survival skill, and I haven't done it in a long, long time. I'm talking since I was like 11 or 12. So definitely something I want to get back into and relearn. Again, living out here in the desert, there are places to fish, but you would think, well, what the heck you want to learn to fish out there? There's no lakes. Well, there is. There's Lake Mead. There's other places, and there's places locally around the area where you can go fishing. So I'm definitely going to take this out and give it a whirl. I'm going to find out where I can go, find out if I need to get a license for that, because I know they have fishing licenses here. But I definitely want to try it out, because this pole is nice. Anyway, that is the Alpha Outpost box for May 2019. It's the Castaway, and check them out. Alpha Outpost kind of works like this. You get on their site, you get set up, you register. Your first box is $5, and after that, it's $39.95 for every month. You can cancel whenever you want. It's mostly outdoor gear. They have a lot of handy items each month, and they always have a theme. Like this month's theme was Castaway. Well, you're casting away with your rod and reel. So it's kind of cool. They actually have really upped their game in the past few boxes. Got really nice stuff, and I'm really digging it. It's going to be really cool to try this stuff out. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I will put their link down below, right there. Underneath that link is our Amazon store. Don't forget to check out our Amazon store. See what's in there, see what's going on. If there's nothing in there you like, just click the link, shop as you normally would. Really helps out the channel. And don't forget to check out our Thrive Life link down below. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.